to everyone present here, our respected principal, honorable guest, dear teachers, parents, and my wonderful juniors, and my amazing batchmates. Today is an emotional day, a day I never thought would come so soon. Today is the last chapter of a good book that started 8 years ago. It feels like just yesterday when I stepped into Loyola School as a young third grader, full of curiosity, nervousness, not knowing that this place would soon become a second home. And now I stand before you, about to leave after spending 8 wonderful years here. I realized how deeply Loyola has shaped me, not just as a student, but also as a person. As I look around, I see a vibrant community that has grown and flourished. This journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, and I am honored to share it with all of you. It's like finishing a long, thrilling novel that you never want to end. To our wonderful school and beautiful campus, it's important to recognize the incredible environment that has nurtured our growth, learning, and friendships. Our Loyola is not just a place of education, it is a vibrant community filled with dedicated teachers, supportive staff, and enthusiastic students. From classrooms where we have engaged in thought-provoking decisions to playground where we have forged lifelong friendships, the lush greenery, well-maintained facilities, and inviting spaces. Our campus has been a place where we have explored our passions and potential. I pray Loyola should continue to grow even more and best, and I'm sure it will. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to our extraordinary teachers. You are the true heroes of our story. You are not only imparted not knowledge, but also shaped our characters. Coming to our beloved principal, Father Lancy Fernandez. Your leadership has been like a guiding star for us. You have always been there to support us, whether it was during our academic struggles or competition. You have mastered the art of handling everything with patience, wisdom, and most importantly, a great sense of humor. You were also a great grammar and biology teacher. Thank you, Father. To our dearest class teacher for the past 2 years, who was also our science teacher, Sir Basavalinga. Your patience and support create a nurturing environment where we feel comfortable asking questions and exploring new ideas. Your humor and creativity makes learning fun. Thank you for not being just a teacher, but a true mentor and a friend. Thank you for being approachable. You are the best. To our mathematics teacher, Miss Asha, your passion for mathematics and your ability to make complex concepts understandable has truly transformed us. Thank you for your dedication and unwavering support. Coming to our English teacher, Father Jeevan D'Souza, your passion for literature and language has opened our eyes to beauty of words and power of storytelling. Thank you for the positive impact you have made on our lives. प्रिया निगराज सर, आपकी शिक्षण शैली ने हमें हिंदी भाषा की सुंदरता और गहराई को समझने में मदद की है। आपका स्मरण और प्रेरणा के लिए हम हमेशा आभारी रहेंगे। To our social teacher and vice principal, Sister Sophia, your dual role in school has not only enriched our learning, we are truly grateful for the things you do both in classroom and beyond. Coming to our incredible physical education teachers, Sir Shinde and Sir Arun. You both have instilled in us the quality of teamwork and discipline. You have taught us the importance of staying active and healthy. You both have always encouraged us to push our limits. To our dearest IT teacher, Sir Calvin, your passion for technology is great. You have equipped us with skills and knowledge we need to navigate in this digital landscape. Thank you, sir, for being so friendly and kind. To my fellow friends, what a journey it has been from the laughter that we shared during lunch breaks, games, art, every moment has been a treasure. We have created memories that will last a lifetime, and I wouldn't create them for nothing. And while we may be heading in different directions, I know that bonds we have found will remain unbreakable. Let's carry the lessons we have learned here at school. Our heartfelt appreciation for unsung heroes of our school, the school bus drivers and non-teaching staff. Thank you for ensuring our safe travels and from school every day. You all create a sense of community that enhances our school experience. As I reflect on my time here, I feel overwhelmed and emotional as the journey of Loyola ends here. Me, my both sisters Nikita and Namita, who were also part of the school. We, the Sheikhanes, will surely miss the place and will hold a special place in our heart. You all have cherished. I would like to mention all my teachers for me from 3rd grade till 10th grade who made me what I am now. My special thanks to all principals, sisters, fathers, managers and brothers. I would like to mention their names. Sister Reena, Sister Milagrin, Sister Maria, Sister Helen, Father Rohan, Father Alvin, Father Louis, Father Cyril, Father Gerard, Father Santosh, and my beloved brother Sandeep, brother Noel, brother Prithvi, and brother Santosh. In fact, I would like to appreciate the entire Jesuit institution. At last, message to my juniors. Embrace every opportunity that comes your way. Take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. We have all been in your shoes. Lean on each other, make memories that will last a lifetime. As we step into future, let's promise to keep the spirit of Loyola alive in our hearts. I will miss you all more than the words can express. Cheers to the memories we have made and the future that awaits us. I realize that goodbyes are never easy. They carry with them a mix of gratitude, nostalgia, and bittersweet feeling of moving forward. I'm proud to be a Loyalite. This isn't goodbye, it's just a see you later. Until we meet again, take care and keep shining. Thank you, Loyola. You are the best part of my life. Thank you all. Have a great day.